Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode on Instagram. Android users can choose whether to just make Instagram dark or to apply the dark mode across all compatible apps. First, let's dive into how to activate dark mode on Instagram directly. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right. Then select the menu icon at the top right, the three-line hamburger icon. Now tap on Switch Appearance and tap to toggle by dark mode to activate this mode. To turn off dark mode on Instagram, follow the same steps but use the toggle to turn dark mode off. Turning on dark mode in the Instagram app will maintain the black background until you switch it off. However, if you use the Android settings, you can have your phone automatically switch over after sunset. Although, this option varies based on your phone's manufacturer. Open your phone settings menu by swapping down from the top of the screen or tap on the gear icon. Navigate to Display and open it. Then, activate the dark theme toggle depending on your smartphone manufacturer. The terminology may vary. You may seek dark theme or dark mode or night mode. Open Instagram. Instagram will by default automatically respond to your device's system settings. Google Pixel devices may also automatically switch to dark when battery saver mode is activated. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.